This video is to show the new CAMHIRST 3D CP robot. Here you can see the computer that is running the programs that will be printed. Here we're doing a test print with a very small bead. It means it's not very wide, just for test purposes. Here we're measuring the slump, or how much it actually falls once it's been dropped in. Here's the mixture, which is in the head for this small print. Here it's doing the very first corner, and it does it very slowly to make sure it's accurate. After the first corner, it then goes much faster. Here you can see the corner, it just immediately keeps going through. This is the track, which can be extended indefinitely. Here the corner again, and it just immediately turns and just keeps right on going. Here we're making sure that all of the geopolymer gets out of the mixer head. Here you can see how geopolymer really sticks to anything. It's not like concrete or cement at all. This is a much larger print, like a house would be printed. It's just a wall of a house. We chose a very complex wall just to prove that we could do very complex printing for the interiors or exteriors of walls. You can also see on this that we had printed the bottom of this much earlier, many days earlier, and then printed on top of that, because with geopolymer you don't have any cold joints like you do with concrete, meaning that you would have to use some type of additive or solution to make sure that the concrete sticks on top of the old concrete. Here you can see at the bottom that the bottom part is already dried and hardened. This is a very complex type of print, just to show that we can do complex printing. Very intricate on the interior. Most of the walls that we print are not done like this. They are just left empty in the middle so that we can add whatever type of insulation and support that is needed for the interior part of the walls. This is just for test purposes. Here we're printing with red geopolymer. It's been treated with color to make it a different color. You can see that this bead is actually much wider than even the second one, just to show that we can print very thick walls if that type of insulation is actually needed. This is also very curved to show that we can print very complex things. They don't have to be just straight walls. As long as you can put it into the computer, the robot can then print it in any type of form or shape that you want.